KGF, the way, the entry scene. I watched like Kantara, KGF, like the film, and also Yash Sarkar ek do movie starting ka. And I came here to do my law, but meanwhile I started doing modeling, and I had really a lot of love for acting. You get one life, but through this profession you live so many lives. Isn't that interesting? Then she told me, and it was laughable journey whenever she was telling me the story. Okay. So when I got this as a lead, this was my first ever, romantic with the hero. Living throughout the movie, like being the part of journey throughout, experiencing and being part of the story as, it's very hard to be a comical heroine. So I felt really comfortable. That ease comes with when a woman is on the set, right?
ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪಿಚ್ಚನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾವ್ಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ. ಲಂಗೋಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಕಲಾವಿದರನ್ನ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನರನ್ನ ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಹೆಲೋ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಶೋ.
ಹಾಯ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮಿ ಹಿಯರ್. I have learned the Kannada. Wait.
Okay.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳೋ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಯಾ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಭಾಗದವ್ರು ನೀವು, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿನವರು ನೀವು? ಕರ್ನಾಟಕನ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
So I am from Jharkhand, my hometown, and I came here to do my law. But meanwhile, I started doing modeling, and I had really a lot of love for acting. So from there, I switched to acting. And then I started from Kannada industry, and thank you for welcoming me in Kannada industry. I know you guys are really welcoming from all the artists, so many big artists. So I'm like trying here. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, that's been my journey.
ಕೂಲ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಲಾ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? ಮಾಡಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ? ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ?
Acting. Yes.
ಯಾಕೆ? ವೈ?
Because you live so many lives in one life, no? You get one life, but through this profession you live so many lives. Isn't that interesting? So yeah. And when you emote and you feel so connected with the audience, like right now we are having this conversation, we are having this moment, but you don't know how many audience are connected to us. So these moments you only live through acting. So yes, acting for sure.
ಸೊ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. ಲಂಗೋಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು? ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಹೇಗಾಗಿದ್ದು?
One of my mutual friend went to ma'am, Sanjukta ma'am, and he was like, she can act. He didn't say I can act well or not. She can act. If you want to see her, just audition her now. But थोड़ा कन्नड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, like थोड़ा कन्नड़ा में थोड़ा, लेकिन अच्छी लड़की है. ओके. लड़की अच्छी है. थोड़ा कन्नड़ा नहीं आता, लेकिन एक्टिंग कर लेगी. ओके. Like acting, she can do acting and all, but Kannada. Then I was like, okay, we'll try, and then she told me the story, and she started with, so the story, I'm like, what is the story? The story is all about bum. I was like, hey, bum. Like, no, listen. And then she told me, and it was laughable journey whenever she was telling me the story, okay? And I cannot reveal how the story went. Obviously, you have to watch 20th September, okay? But I thought, yes, I want to do this. I can do this. And comedy, I haven't tried. Like, it's very hard to, because comedy is very subjective. Maybe you can laugh on some jokes, maybe you can't. And maybe he or somebody can laugh on some jokes, you can't. Some people can't. So to gather audience, to laugh, to make them laugh, to make them happy, and I thought, why not? So, yeah.
Super. I think this is your first film, as you told before. So how special, how excited are you to watch you on big screen?
So this is my first film as a lead. I have done Kannada movie, but not like, it was a major character. Have you watched Yellow Board Monisha? Okay, so that was my character, and then in that I didn't have to learn Kannada because the character was that. So when I got this as a lead, this was my first ever, romantic with the hero, all that dream coming true, having a song. So I was very excited because I had this experience of being in front of the camera, but never had this experience of living throughout the movie, like being the part of journey throughout, experiencing and being part of the story. As you know, it's very hard to be a comical heroine. So
Actually, I think it's the tough task.
it is actually, it is. Because you don't know if the punchline is actually punching. You know? Exactly. I'm like, did I do it? Because in emotion, when you cry, you can feel other people is like, yeah, okay, I'm feeling the emotions. I'm feeling the emotion. But like, did I make the good joke? Because I'm a CEO of bad jokes. So I, not in the movie, huh? Please watch.
Okay, so how's the experience, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಂಗೋಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. We started rehearsing because obviously I told you comedy stuff, no? So we started rehearsing, we went for the costume trial, remember? First day being on the set, I was thoda sa nervous. But the whole team, the best part of this film is the director is female.
Exactly.
You know?
I think she have done a good job.
She has done a good job. So I felt really comfortable. That ease comes with when a woman is on the set, right? Like
It will be more comfortable.
Exactly. It's not even more comfortable. It's not like if there was another, but it feels like really proud wala moment, and also ki yeah, she'll understand. Okay, a woman can understand the woman, because she was very calm, and all of us have this natural instinct of being soft, right? Naturally. So she had this naturally of being soft. So even I was being nervous, no? She was like, "Don't worry, you'll do it. Just come." So yeah, it went very smooth.
Okay. Oh, which was the toughest part for you in this film, as you think?
Have you watched the trailer before I answer this? So there was this scene, no, where we have the hero and I have to get intimate. Yeah, I was thinking about Papa. This is not me. This is the character Papa. So it was sort of awkward because I haven't done. Even in my personal life, I haven't been that comfortable with, like, totally be comfortable with guys. I take lot time to really, you know, even haath pakad. Even I have emojis ka moral also. Yeah. Okay. So I'll send you heart only if I like totally trust you. Heart wala emoji. ठीक है, and this तो एकदम totally एकदम पकड़ रहा. I'm like, Papa. I was like, my Papa देख लिए तो गए.
So what was the family's reaction after watching trailer?
I haven't shown the yet, okay? Yet I still have to find that courage, because no matter what, they are parents, so they don't see the character, they see you as a daughter. So that is, I'm still finding that courage yet. If it's a movie hit, please be a hit. My Papa can watch it and I tell them, it's okay, Papa. I did not do anything. But yeah, it's not like full steam. It's not that vulgar, but it was for me, it was not for me that vulgar, but it was to be that close to someone, very close to someone. So yeah.
One word about Langoti Man.
Family movie. I know a lot of controversy are there, maybe not a family, but it's a family movie.
ಏನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಯಾರು?
Hero to Yash sir.
Oh, okay.
Huge crush.
Why?
Have you, like the way he comes in the screen, like so, no efforts at all. Like he be himself and he just stand there and I'll be like, he's married though. I'm like, oh shit.
Good.
Okay. Oh wow. But it's okay to have crushes, no?
ನಿಜ. ಯಾವ ಮೂವಿಯಿಂದ ಕ್ರಶ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಯಶ್ ನಿಮಗೆ?
KGF, the
Okay.
way, the entry scene.
So cool.
It's a favorite.
ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ,
Heroine,
ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
I'll be honest, I haven't watched many like Kannada films, but
Okay.
I've watched few. I watched like Kantara, KGF, like the film, and also Yash Sir ka ek do movie starting ka, which was very romantic and all. I forgot the name, sorry.
ಓಕೆ
And heroine, I haven't like, I don't know many names,
it's
so
okay.
I cannot just like pick one.
ಕೂಲ್. ಏನು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಪ್ 20th ಲಂಗೋಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳೋದಿದ್ರೆ?
Like lot many things in my mind, but I really want to say that I know everybody is living their life. Many are like busy with their work and all, but if you can take few hours of your time and you know, I'm saying this because you will actually laugh, you will have a great time, and please do watch. Please go to nearest theater. We have worked so hard. We have been like, you know, for each other, and I want you guys to be for us and make your own movie. Have fun, laugh a lot. I'm sure you will. So please do watch in your nearest theater. This is me, Sneha.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚೆಚ್ಚು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್
you so
ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ನೇಹ ಅವರ ಮಾತಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್.